Hi guys, please put one in the chat if anyone is live. Yes, Sanjay, Mayank, Saranya, Supriya. Okay guys, let's wait for one more minute and we can start the stream. One, two, four people. Anyone else who's live? Come on guys, put one in the chat or hey, hello, hi or anything in the chat if you're live guys. I'll be starting soon. Anmol, yeah, yeah. So I think there are quite number of people in the chat. Okay guys, let me start the session now. So, do you guys have any idea of web designing in WordPress? Mahadev says hi, hi Mahadev. Let me adjust my camera. Yes. Okay, guys. Any idea of web designing in WordPress? Creating websites. Okay. I haven't used it. Okay, Anmol. It will be a nice session for you because I'm teaching you WordPress today. So don't worry about it. Templates for building website. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I have. So, what page builders have you used, Saranya? Any page builders have you used inside WordPress? Elementor, okay. Yes, I know Elementor, I know Breezy. So today, and I also know Divi. So today I'm going to teach you guys with a page builder called as Breezy because I'll show you why. Okay, I'll be using Breezy page builder. Okay, guys, let's start. So you need two things to have a website hosted, guys. So first is the domain name. Then you need to buy a hosting space. The hosting space is like a space inside the internet. So you'll have a dedicated computer which has a particular limit of space which is hosting your website where your website information will be stored. That is hosting and domain. So where you can buy this domain and hosting is you can go to GoDaddy, Namecheap, HostGator, so many other platforms. Hosting. I choose GoDaddy over other platforms because they have UPI payment, so you don't need to have an international card to buy a hosting. Guys, I'll just show you how it works. GoDaddy. Okay, let me go to GoDaddy. So, guys, you have a search bar here. You can search for any domain. It's asking for my sign in. Let me sign in. Okay. Let's, for example, we are having a business. We want to grow a business related to a shoe manufacturer. So we can find a domain. Let's for an example, we'll assume our brand's name is Revtron. So I'll take it as Ravtron. Revtron. I'll take automobiles. Auto.com. So it shows the pricing, guys. Uh, okay. I put RAV instead of no. I'll recheck again. It's okay. There's no difference with the domain name. So there are a lot of different types of domain names. .com is .commercial, .in is .india, .io is .indian ocean. Then you have .ai, like it's like artificial intelligence. So the most costliest domain which you can buy is .com base. .org is for organization. .edu is for education. And there are some brands which have domain names which are very unique. Let's for example, you can say CureFit. The domain name is cure.fit, cult.fit, cure.fit, cult.fit. That's the domain name. So there are some unique domain names. If you buy unique domain names, the cost will be lesser. First step is to find the website domain. Yes, yes, Supriya. First step is to find a website domain name. Yes. So let so if you want to showcase your web design to someone else, if you want to build a portfolio, let's for example you're going for an interview where you are a WordPress developer. So what WordPress web designer, what you can do is you can create a website in a XYZ domain, and the domain cost will be cheap. So let's for example my name is Rahul, right? I can make a domain like Rahul portfolio dot XYZ, and I can no, this is not a place where we search for the domains. Yeah, I can search it here. Can I put it as pt dot xyz. See, 150 for 159 rupees. I think this is for 1 month. If you add to cart, I think the cost will come. No, this is for 5 years. So I'll make it 1 year. So at 499 you get a domain, guys. So you get a domain. Then what you need to do is you need to buy a hosting. So you can go to GoDaddy again here. Domain names. Then let me search in Google itself. Okay, hosting is the space wherein your how is WordPress different from Wix Webflow? Okay, the problem with Wix is that you'll have predefined templates. You can only build over that. But if you are using WordPress, you can use a page builder and build your websites, and you can capture leads. And other thing is, you can also host e-commerce websites. So in Wix, you can only have a subdomain. You can have a domain, but using Wix is not preferred. Let's for example, you have a design portfolio to show it to your clients. You can use Wix, but I don't prefer Wix. If you code a website, you can host it inside WordPress itself. So WordPress is more powerful. And if you search in, if you go to WordPress.org or WordPress.com, it shows that 40% websites are built inside WordPress. 43% of the world website are built inside WordPress. Bloggers, small business, Fortune 500 companies, e-commerce websites, so many things are built inside WordPress. Real estate websites. So you can see it is a block editor. You can drag and drop items and you can create inside WordPress. So that's the power of WordPress, guys. So there are a lot of plugins. So you can integrate your CRM with WordPress. Let's for example, you can see Mailchimp here. So how Mailchimp helps is when you are getting a lead, when someone is filling the contact form in your website, the lead will directly go to Mailchimp. You can start email campaign. The lead will directly go to a CRM like Salesforce, uh, like HubSpot, like Zoho. You can directly integrate WordPress with your CRM. So when the lead is captured, it goes to the CRM. Then the sales team might follow up with that. So you have this powerful integration inside of WordPress. Also, you can easily do SEO. So I'll show you a WordPress example. This is a WordPress website. You can see rank match here, right? So I'll click on dashboard. This website has rank match issue. So if you see the options of analytics here, it shows all the details relating to SEO. There's another famous plugin inside WordPress called as Yoast. I don't use Yoast, I use Rank Math. But all the plugins, different variety of things, the scale at what you can do it. WordPress is also very SEO friendly. So this is why I prefer WordPress over Wix. And if you join any digital marketing course across India or anywhere, and if you are a non-coder who doesn't know how to use create websites, They will definitely teach you WordPress. It's because of 43% of the websites are built in WordPress because nobody knows how to do HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So they just do it inside WordPress using a page builder like Elementor, Divi, uh, Breezy. There are so many other page builders. So I don't use Wix. So if you are having something like, if you want to showcase your project properly, if you want to have multiple pages, you want to have a carousel inside, it's very difficult to do it in Wix. You can do it in WordPress, and Wix you can't build better than better than WordPress inside Wix is what I believe. I don't know about Webflow guys. Okay. Uh, so that is there. So one thing is you have to have a domain, then you have to buy a hosting. So you have the hosting cost here. One website, 100 GB of storage, and you should decide on different factors. So one WordPress install, professional email you get free domain here. So this is related to domain also, but you can buy only a hosting, buy a domain, buy a hosting. So when you buy the hosting, you have to buy cPanel hosting. So let me check for it, guys. Let's click on buy now, and let's see what are the features inside. So GoDaddy will give you so many other features which is not required. I think full domain protection. I think this is just an SSL certificate. If you can deliver for free of cost, you can keep it. This domain is for 5 years. I'll make it 1 year. Yeah, you have cPanel hosting, 9x with cPanel hosting. Okay, for 12 months it's around 4,300. Professional email, professional individual email is you'll get a website, you'll get a mail ID, something like. It's our web domain is rahulpt.xyz, right? You'll get an email like hello at rahulpt.xyz, something like that. Or you can create it as rahul at rahulpt or CEO at rahulpt.xyz. You'll get a professional mail. You can take 5 emails from Zoho, guys. Zoho will give you five emails uh, inside your domain. So if your website is cultfit.com, so you can have 5 emails like hello at cultfit.com, Rahul at cultfit.com, CEO at cultfit.com for free. 5 emails you can have from Zoho. If you are planning to buy more than that, you have to pay for it. So this is also a free feature from GoDaddy. You can buy it. I'm just showing you. So you have to buy a domain, you have to buy a hosting, you have to link both together, and then you'll get something called as cPanel. So I don't have cPanel access right now. You can go to cPanel. I'm just telling what and all you need to do to create a website from scratch. So you need to go to cPanel access. So it will not show the cPanel interface actually. So the interface is different. So you need to go inside your GoDaddy, log in over there. You need to go to your cPanel. I'm not sure about the storage, but you get 5 emails, 5 professional emails, 5 professional company emails. I don't know about the storage available. Guys. You can visit the Zoho mails and you can see the pricing, Sandeep. Okay, any other doubts you have? You can ask me the doubts. I'll continue with the session. Any other doubts? Zoho is not free. Zoho mails, you get 5 emails free. Zoho is not free. Zoho is a CRM. Zoho mails is a different service. So you get business emails right here. You get 5 professional emails, 5 FB mails. So you can have access of this. Nothing from my side also. Okay, okay, guys. So has anyone heard about wireframing? Wireframing. Yes, wireframe. It's a lot of it. Okay, guys. Sketch or design ideas. Perfect, perfect mind. So I'll just show you the basics of wireframing. I'm not going to do a wireframe and do a website. Hi, the other wrong. Yes. Do you know me personally? It's okay. I'll do a wireframe, and I'm not going to do a website based on the wireframe, but I'll show you how to do a wireframe and how to get it approved from our client. No, this one is what's okay. No, no, this funny. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, I'll show you how to do a wireframe. You can go to Figma.com. It's a website where you design mobile interfaces and website interfaces. So go to this website. So I have my previous designs here. I designed an app. Also, I know how to prototype, but that will be for a different session. So I'll go to FigJam. I'll click on new FigJam file. It's like a whiteboard, guys. You make a rough sketch of whatever you're doing. So that is wireframing. So let's, for example, you get a lot of templates here. So I'm not going to choose any template. I'm going to start from scratch. So I can choose the pencil tool here. So I'll make the first section. So let's, for example, this will be our first section inside our website. So if you go to any website, so let me try and type any website here. Okay, this is an e-commerce website. Let me go for a different one. Let me go to app. Okay, you can see this first section, right? The first image which loads here, the first section, it's called the hero section. And you can see the menu navigation bar here. So this is the hero section, guys. So like this, you go to Figma, you just type whatever is there. Like let's for we'll take a case study of website wherein you are creating a page to capture people to visit you for an event. Like for example, it's opening of a jewelry shop, and the celebrity is going to come and launch the shop. So you are creating a page to make sure someone is filling the form in the page, so that you call them and or you send them a Google invite so that they visit the place and you get a lot of visitors for your event. So that is the case which we are designing today. So you can go to Figma and you can just say you'll add an image here. So you can put text here also. So I'll add an image background here. So let no, this is too big. So I'll just put it here just for a reference. And now this will be our year section. So I'll make it smaller. Actually, it is not required. So I'll keep it here. Then we have a form here. So I'll make a rectangle here. So we can have a form. So I'll take a rough text here. I can put it as name. Can add one more. So you need phone numbers to call them for the visitor of the event. Phone number. You can send emails for them to visit your event. So I can put it as email. So then I can put another section here as reason to visit or text. So they can put some inquiry if they want to have, if they have an inquiry. And I can put box here. I can change the color. Uh, Basically, it's actually 1 second. Guys. Yeah. Why is it showing section 2? Okay. Okay. I can add a box. Yeah. can add a text inside saying sign up, and I'll center this. I'll select both of this. I can bring it here. It's not coming in. Why is it showing section 2? Okay guys, something like this. So this will be one section of your website. So this will be the first block. You can draw another block below this. So before you are designing for a client, you need to do a wireframe like this. So I'm not going to do a complete wireframe today because our subject for today is using a page builder. So you do a wireframe, you show it to your client, and if your client is okay with that, you can start designing. So you can do it in Figma itself. You can go back, you can use Figma, and I think the layout will be a mobile one here. So you can start designing here itself. So I'm not going to do that. Yeah. So here you can choose desktop. So you get a layout like this. You can add elements, you can add colors, and that's for a different day. This is UI UX design. So you do a wireframe. After you do a wireframe, you come back to Figma, you design a website, you show it to your client, and if your client likes it, you can start doing the website. So that's how it works, guys. So I'm not going to do Figma as of now. I'll directly go into WordPress and I'll show you how a page is built inside WordPress. I close as of Figma, so I'll show you guys. So now, has anyone heard about a landing page? Yeah. Hi, Mayank. Yes. Can you like write the meaning of it? No, landing page is not the first page. Landing page is not the first page of the website. The first page of the website is the home page. Landing page is something different, like a marketing page. Yes, yes, yes. It is. It is like a marketing page. Okay, guys. I'll show you what's a landing page. Let's, for example, I go to Google. I search for any product like. Let me search for gaming laptop. You can see the word ad here, right? On top. I'll click on the link and open it. Why is it not opening? Okay, I'll click on the link and open it. No, it's asking for my contact details. I click on Intel's landing page. So when you click on an ad and you fall at a page, this page is the landing page. So you might have a form in this page somewhere, get more details or something. Or if you click on learn more, they might ask you to fill details. Let me click on learn more. Yes. No, I think I think it is an e-commerce website. We are not getting it. Let me search for a different product. Let me search for corporate gifting. I'll click on the first link, igb.com. Oh, this is an e-commerce website, so you can find a lot of products. You can buy it from here. So I'll click on solutions.zozo. Okay, this is a B2B platform. So you get a book a demo with them. So this is their landing page. The landing page will explain whatever products they have, what are the services they do. See, you can see a nice carousel here. You can see their clients, their specialities, what they have, how they deliver the product, everything, guys. Everything important, everything which sells for a brand, it will be listed inside the landing page. So you can see a nice carousel here. So you can see a form at the end of the page. Now if I fill a form, if I fill this form, give my details, and if I book a demo, what happens is that I am captured as a lead, and within 1 or 2 hours, someone from this website will call me and tell me that you have filled a form in our website. What is the product you're interested in me, and they'll try to sell the product. So that is how a landing page works. So if you take the landing page URL, it's so different. If I go to their homepage, I'll copy the first part of their URL. I'll go to their homepage. The URL is not working. Let me check it in. Zozo Day, right? Yes. Oh, it's zozoday.com. This is their homepage. So the homepage has different services listed here. I think they are not only into corporate gifting, they are into infrastructure for business also. So they have created a landing page separately for corporate gifting. So that is why only corporate gifting products are listed here. But here they have different other products. So when you have unique products also, you can create separate landing pages for unique products. So they have integrations, so many other things. Guys. So this is how it works. So landing page is for a particular event or a particular product or particular service of a company. So which is run inside Google Ads. It can be running inside Facebook ads. You click on a Facebook ad, it redirects you to a different website where you fill a form or where you buy a product, or if it is an e-commerce website. That is the purpose of a landing page. You want someone to take an action. The action would be to buy a product or they capture you as a lead. That's the purpose of landing page. And landing page are used for ads only. So this is an ad. You can see ad on top here. You can see status.co ad. You can see ads, right? So landing pages are used to run ads in different platforms. I just showed you an example of Google search ad. It will be on different platforms. Guys. Okay, understood. Understood. So we are going to build a landing page inside WordPress now. We are going to build a landing page inside WordPress. Okay, we'll start. So I'll go to my WordPress dashboard. So once you have a domain, once you have a hosting, you'll get a cPanel access. Inside cPanel, you have to install WordPress. So you'll have a dashboard something like this. So now I'll come outside of rank math. So you will have your dashboard like this. So this is your WordPress dashboard, guys. Here you have posts where you manage all your blogs. So when you do a post in WordPress, it becomes a blog. Then you have media. You can add images inside your website. Then you have pages. Pages will help you manage the number of pages, and if you want to add new product page or if you want new service page to be added inside your website, you can go to pages. Then you have comments. Comments is something like when someone comments on your blog, it will be listed here. So whatever plugin you install, it will come here. I have Rank Math for SEO, on-page SEO. Then I have Brizy. Brizy is the page builder which I use to build pages. Then you click on plugins. Then you can see all the different WordPress plugins, guys. So then you have users. Users is like who and all are using access to this dashboard. So you can manage it there. Then you have settings. In settings, you can manage some plugins will work inside settings. So you can do your menus and other things. Then I have HFCM, which I'm not going to explain. Then I have forms. For busy page builder, forms is not required. This is a different website, so we have forms. You can go to plugins. You can see what other plugins I have installed. So someone mentioned about Elementor, right? So how you add a plugin inside WordPress is you click on plugin, you click on add new. Any questions? Okay, now you click here and you search for the plugin. So search for Elementor. So you have Elementor website builder. I can click install now and it will be installed. And if I activate, it will start working for me. As of now, I am using Brizy. So I'll show you the plugin also. So I'm using this plugin, guys, Brizy. 90,000 active installations and 7,000 722 reviews, and it has around like 4.5 stars. So I use this plugin. This page builder choice is yours, but you have to spend some time to learn different page builders because the usability, the interface is different for different page builders. Okay, guys. Now I'll show you guys how to add a page. So you go to so basically this is a different website. This is a coded website wherein I'm adding a page. If it was a completely WordPress website, you can select themes under settings. So I would have chosen Nive or Astro theme. So I cannot choose a theme here because this is a coded website. But I'll show you guys how to do it. I'll skip the step, but I'll show you guys how to create a landing page. So if you learn how to create a landing page, you can create any other page inside a page builder. You go to pages, go to all pages. So here it will show what are all the different pages which you have created over time. So guys, now you can click on add new. So I'll name it as landing page 2. So here you can see a different settings here. So if you are using a theme, you will have Astra settings over here on top. You can change the type of content which is coming inside your website. So I don't have it as of now because I'm using a coded website wherein I'm creating a landing page. So it will not be there. So any doubts you have, guys? Let me check for any questions. Uh, are the plugins paid? Yeah, every plugin is paid. Breezy, I have Breezy Pro. I have Breezy Pro for this website, so I'm using Breezy Pro. For this website, I bought a license of Breezy Pro. I'm using Breezy Pro. Elementor is also paid. Breezy is paid. TV is paid. Most of the page builders are paid, guys. I want to know what else you can use instead of WordPress. So WordPress is a CMS, content management system. You can use it for managing content inside your website. So that is what it means. So alternatives of WordPress can be Joomla. Then you have Drupal. Then you have Adobe Express Manager. Yes, I have Breezy Pro. I got it from my teacher. And what are your thoughts about automated website builders? It cannot be used for a business. You can showcase your portfolio over there, but it cannot be used for a business. You can use so many page like website creators, but like if you have a graphic design portfolio, if you have something to show, you can use Wix. If you are a UI designer, you can host something inside Wix or you can show it to people. But for a business, Wix is not recommended. WordPress is recommended. And 43% of the world's websites are built inside WordPress. So that's the power of WordPress, guys. So you can use these CMS also. You can use Joomla, Drupal, Adobe Express. Very costly, Adobe Express Manager. But use WordPress. It's open source. It's free to use. Sometimes you have to pay for some plugins, but you can almost build a website without paying for any plugins. You might pay for a page builder, but almost you can build a website. Any other doubts, guys? Any other doubts? No questions? Any doubts? Okay, guys. I just want to know something. Okay. Okay, Jason. I'll start doing it. So let me go back to my WordPress. So I just created the page name here. You can see edit with Breezy, right? Just click on it. It will start opening the Breezy interface. Okay, this is how the interface looks. It's almost blank. So here you have the plus icon here. You click on it. There are a lot of elements like text, button, icon, image, whatever you want to add inside your block. So this will be your first block. You can whatever you want to add inside your block, you can use it here. Then you have reorder blocks. So when you create blocks, I'll show you. Then you have styles here. So you can see color palettes here, guys. So you can click on a color palette and you can see a color code here. So you can go to a website called as colorhunt.co. Okay, you can just click on a color palette. You can browse here for multiple color palettes. So you can see a lot of color palettes here. App designs, social media designs, website design. So many things are based on color themes. So you can choose good color themes from this website. You can like it. So it will be in your collection. Whenever you click on it, it will show the color theme. And when you hover on it, you can see the color code here, right? You can copy the color code. You can come back to your Brizy page builder and you can paste the color code. So you get a color from wherever you want. So the color has changed. You can decide it from here also. You can just drag left and right, up and down to take colors. So you can take a lot of colors. Then you have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. What is the font style? You can add your own style here. I'll click on add new. Yeah. So now, my favorite font is Poppins. I'm not sure if it is. I'll select Monster Art and I can change the sizes. So when I'm designing here, I can come back to style and I can select an element and I can click on it. The color, the font and the size from here will go there. So you can have pre-designed styles and you can use these styles inside your website. Then you have, I'll show these when I start designing this. What are the benefits of using code website and automated website? What do you mean by an automated website? I don't get you. Code website is you can customize however you want. You can do carousels, you can do anything inside the code website. But the problem is you have to have a web developer who's managing. What are your thoughts about Squarespace? I never heard about Squarespace. Let me check whatever it is. No, I don't use all that. No, Justin, I don't use all those platforms. I'm telling you, I'm a WordPress designer. I don't use these platforms like Wix. They are all useless for me. It might be useful for someone else, but I don't use that. But a coded website is very good for an advanced website, something like e-commerce website. If they have a SaaS product, if they are selling software, or let's for example, you're having an AI-based product, you're selling music on your website, you can use all that. Or if you're building a e-commerce website, you can use Shopify. Wix and all is for it's very beginner friendly and it's not useful for people. So don't talk about these small platforms. So I'm coming into WordPress. So don't take me out of WordPress. That's what I wanted to tell you. Uh, so these small platforms are not that capable. That is why they're not like as big as WordPress. Okay. So now I'll click on the plus button here. So if you click on the plus button, I'll show it again. If you click on the plus button, it will show a lot of templates here. You can see you have blocks, you have layouts. So you have a complete website already built for you. You can choose from any of the template here. So our case study was a jewelry shop opening its new branch and we need contact details to send them invites. So we'll have to build on that. So I'm not using Figma, I'm not doing any wireframe here, but I'm going to start directly. So this is layouts. You can select any layout and design over that, but I'm going to do it from scratch. You can have saved here. I haven't saved anything. You can go to blocks and click on create your own. Okay, here I have my first block. You can see a small rounded icon here, right, on the top right. Click on it and you can see the second option. This is the image option. You click on it. So you can upload a background. So If your client has his own images, you can take images from there. But if it is not available, you can go to a website called Unsplash. Unsplash picks up a copyright free images, guys. So you can go to this website and let me search for Revelry. I'm not getting a web-sized image. Let's search here. Yeah, I got some images. So let's go scroll down and look for some good. This one looks good. This also, this looks good. So just download it. When you're downloading, make sure you download a medium size file, guys. Don't download high resolution files as it will slow down your website. Okay, I've downloaded it. I can come back to my landing page. I can click here. Can upload files, select files, then go to my downloads. Yeah. So there's something called as image SEO where you can add all text, which I'll be ignoring as of now. I'll just upload the image and select. So you'll get a background image like this. You can change the type here. So I'll choose it as cover, and parallax you can keep it as fixed or animated. So I'll keep it as none. I think the image size is too small, so it's not coming properly here. So I'll search for a different image first. Uh, I'll take this diamond instead. Any questions by then? This looks very easy. Yes, building a website inside this WordPress is very easy. Just people don't know it, that's all. I'll take a different image. I'll take this diamond image. I'll take a larger resolution. So let's see how it works. It's asking for sign up. Let me sign up here. I think it's downloaded. Let's try to upload it here. Just close this. Click on upload. Upload files. Drop files here. Just drop the file and see how it looks. Select. Okay. So you can increase the margins here. I can click on here. I can click here. Mm, yeah, I think you can increase the margins so the image looks full. Right corner. So you have your first section of an image. The image is not optimized properly, guys. You have to design it, or you can do it in Photoshop and put it back here. So let me try doing something with this box. Styling. Actually, the image should come full, guys. Let me do the settings here. Make it a slider now. Okay, it says I don't know the resolution here. Site logo, use avatar. Content. Okay, let's keep it like this. So I can add text on top of this. Just go here. I told you like there are so many items over here. You can see I have only one column here. Just you can type column. You can add another column next to it. So I have two columns here. So at the left column I can add my text, and at the right column I can have my form. So to add a text here, I'll type text. Just drag and drop text inside. So it's not visible as the text is blank. So and I'll add a form. And type form. So I can add the form over here. So this is a basic form. I'll change the colors. So the text, this is a paragraph text. I'll make it as heading 1. So it looks bigger now. And the color I'll make it white as the background is black. So it's visible, yeah. So I'll make it, I'll type something over here. I made it white and I'll change it to heading 1. The first section will have always the first section will have heading 1, guys. So I'll make it something like I'm not able to type here. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, let me add a text. Okay, then I'll add a form. Form. Just drag and drop, guys. That's all. Okay, I'll select the text. I'll make it white, and I'll select the text again. I'll make it heading 1. So let me add items here. So welcome. I'll make it as visit our store on 14 June and make it August 2022 for our grand opening. Done by Shahrukh Khan. I'll put a celebrity's name. I don't know the spelling also. Okay. I'll take the rest of the text out. So you have some text like this. Sometimes your text is not visible, so you can select your text, can change colors and see how it looks. So it's black, guys. I'll choose white itself. So something like this, and you can go to settings and you can change the gap above. So I'll put it somewhere in middle, or I'll put it a little bit down. Okay, you can change the styling also. So I'm not doing it. So now you can change the form here. So the form, so you can't do this in Wix. You can't create a form. So that's the major difference. How many pages are required to build a website? So basically it's 5. And it depends on business. E-commerce website will have thousands of pages. What are the general 5 pages? Okay, home page, about us, products, contact us, That's four. I think I'll check my website which I created for my client. Home about us, gallery. So in gallery you can upload like whatever products you have given for your clients. So that is one page. Gallery. Where do you add the reviews part to show credibility? Okay, you have two options. So for the website which I built for my client, I added it in my homepage itself. So this is the homepage. You scroll down. It's taking some time to load. Wait. Okay. When you scroll down, it shows our specialty, media presence. You can see testimonial, right? This testimonial is from all the companies we got reviews from. Their logos is there and what reviews they have given is there. You can click on view all. You can go to the testimonials page. The testimonial page is a different page which is not there in the menu. It's not there in the top menu, but if you click on it, you can go to the testimonials page. You can see all the reviews which is given by different companies. So it adds credibility to your company. So you can add it in your home page, or you can create a testimonial page and you can add it over there, man. So it depends on different companies. It depends on client requirement and the designer also. Okay, I'll come back to designing. So it's email here. So I click on it. I can make it as name and I click on settings. I'll click on here. I'll make it as text. This is a plain text now. The second one, I'll click on it. I'll click on this thing, and instead of select, I'll put it as email. And here I'll make it as email. Yeah. I can duplicate this. Instead of paragraph, I'll put enquiry. Okay. Now email here, name email. Can make it phone number. So I'll click here. I can make it as tell. So if I click on tell, it becomes a phone number. So I'll type it as phone number. Okay. So I'll add another text box here. I'll go to text, drag and drop it below. Came to the side actually. Yes, I'll add it here. I'll fill this form to get an invitation. Wait guys. Should I add it again? Yeah. Now I'll make the text white and I'll do that. Name, email, phone number, and inquiry. So just click on it. It will show text. Click on this. It will show email. So it will tell his phone number, and then this one would be paragraph. So I'll make this required. You compulsorily need the mail. You need an email. It's necessary to send an invite. You need the phone number. You can call them. Enquiry. I'll make it not required. It's already not required. So then you have a settings here. You can see there's a pink button here. So it doesn't look good. So I can make it a nice color. So I can select. I'll select the gray one. and you can change the text color inside also. Click on it, text color. It's the text is overpass. I'll make it something funky. I select this font. Can increase the font so the button looks bigger so someone clicks on it. Okay. Now I click. So when you hover on it, you can see the pink is coming. You can change the hover color also. See, when I take the mouse on top of it, you can see pink is coming, right? I can change that one also. I click on color. You can see the small button here, right? This is the hover button. Click on the hover button. So when I hover, I don't want pink. I'll make it blue. Make it dark blue. Okay, you can see. You can see this blue is coming out. This is the hover color. Okay, I'll leave the form as of now. If I want to have a heading for the form also, I can have it. I'm not having the heading. And if I want to round the corners or something, I can click here. You can see top. There's an arrow mark. I'll click it here, and I can add a background color. You can add a background color. I'll make it black. Actually, background is also black. Or so you can see the transparency here. I can make it transparent. So you can the image behind the scene. If I want to make it so, let me select red. So this is dark red over here. You can see the slider here. If I make it light, you can see the background. If I make it dark, you can't see it. As simple as that. So I selected black. I'll select black. This is a different variation of black, and I'll make it slightly lighter. So there's some background behind it. Okay, you can click on settings, styling. Can make the rounded corner also. See, you can see the rounded corner. So I'll keep it as it is. So this is a blue button. So it's your choice here. You can keep any color here. So instead of the word button, I'll put here as get an invite. I just put a funky font. You can put any font. Okay, this is the first section of our website is done, guys. Now we are going to do the next section. So yeah, I changed the button text. So could you? There was a lag. Could you repeat again? Hi, mother. What do you want me to repeat? Repeat. What should I repeat, mother? What should I repeat? Please change the button text. That is done. Please reply. Are you online? Hello? Hello? Okay, I'll continue, guys. So this is the first section is done. So I can go to plus button again. So then we have the next section here. I'll click on here. So I've been streaming for 1.5 hours continuously. It's been difficult for me. So you can see all the free categories here, guys. You can select any of the template here. You can build on your template. So you can build on other templates. So I put a form. I put the heading text that the hero section is over. So I can come to free categories here. I can now choose anything. So this looks good. I'll click on it. So it's taking some time to load. Yeah. Okay. The color and the font from here is different with the font here. So what you can do is you can find the font name. So overpass. So I'll change the icons here also. I'll show you guys. So I'll remove this view details. So if I want to change the image, I click on the image, and I can change the image. I can add download anything from the internet. I'll go back to Pixabay. I'll check for another jewelry image. This gold one looks good. I'll download it. Download it as a small resolution. Okay, download it, guys. Come back to my landing page. And click here. New, upload, upload files. Select. I'll upload. Select. Yes, I got a nice image now. Then I have this block here, which is black. Black is nice, but let me try to delete it. Okay, I'll add another column and I'll do it again. Okay, I can just drag and drop the column here. Yes, there's one more column. Now I can add something. So I'll click on plus, or I click on top here. You can see this second. This is the first icon where you can add image. The second icon is where you can add the background color. So I'll click on the background color. So I'll choose black. So I have a section here, and this is for the column, guys. This back is for the column. I can delete. I can like remove it, or I can make it transparent. You can see what is behind. So I'll make it transparent as of now. Let us keep the white thing here, or let me reduce the borders. Yeah. So I decided to take a gray one. Okay. So this one is black, and I'll have the next section as a gray one. I click here. I'll click here and I'll select gray. So this is a gray background. So the website looks black and gray, something like a theme. Okay. We can hear you. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I think you guys can hear me. Yes. So I selected this. Now here I'll add a black one. So I'll add a black background. So see, you can see purple and gray and black looks something nice. So you can see a plus icon here. Click on the plus icon. I can add a text box here. So there's a text box here, and I can make it centered. Some settings. I'll increase the margin from above, and now I can add here as wait, again I've made a mistake, guys. Let me do it again. Add a text here. Click on it. Change the text color to white. Now click on text. Increase the size. This is a custom text, and this is the same font. This is overpass. This is overpass. So now I'll click on it. The best. I don't know the spelling, guys. Actually, sorry. I'm from Bangalore, so I'll put Bengaluru. So I can remove this. Showing a spelling error. J E Jewell. Jewell. Spelling is right. Okay. In Bengaluru. Now I can add something here. We specialize in customized for our customers. Okay, something like this. I can center align the text. I can select the text and
think this alignment looks bad. I don't know why. Let me select everything. I'll side align it first. Okay. Some alignment like this. And we have two sections now. So what happens is that you can click on this button. You can see this small plug icon, right? Click on this plug icon and you have WordPress here. Click on WordPress and you can enter an email ID here. Email ID is already there. If I click on continue, if someone fills this form, if I go to WordPress dashboard, I go to Breezy, and if I go to leads, just simple as that. Go to WordPress, Breezy, leads. So this is the website I built for someone else, wherein you can see all the details of the person who filled the form. So you can call them and invite them for your event or ask them to buy products from your business. So it's simple as this. Add a block, select a template, any template, and you can click to edit the items inside the template. So I'm skipping it as of now. I don't have time. So like this, you can build a website inside Breezy. I'll show you guys how to add a menu also. You click here, you add a section on top. Actually, this section I didn't add a menu, so you can type menu here. You can drag and drop it here, and this menu is actually black. I'll make it white so it is visible for you. You can see the menu, right? Accessories, gift hampers, office tools, gadgets, drinkware. You can create menus here on device, and you can also create footers. Click here. You can type footer. So this is a footer template. Click on it. You have a footer for your website. So Breezy is as simple as that, guys. So I'm going to end the stream in 5 minutes. If you have any, why is the text not aligned properly while shifting? There must be some bug inside because I'm not using Astra here. If I'm using Astra, this can be fixed. So I'm not. This is a coded website. That's the problem. I'm doing it inside a coded website. So that is the. Now it's fixed. You can see now it is fixed, guys. So just like this, you can drag and drop items to do, and you can add links to other pages also. So you have a button here. You click on the button. You can see this link icon, right? You click on the link icon. You can put any other website link here and open in new tab. When they click on it, it will land on a different page. So this is how you build a website inside Breezy. So I'm going to end the session. So any other questions, any doubts you have, guys? So I'll stop sharing my screen. Any questions? Anything you want me to show? Please ask question, guys. No questions? And you, oh, there's one more thing I just forgot. Share screen. After everything you're done, you can save it as draft and you can click on publish page. So this page becomes live inside your website. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Please ask questions. Is anyone live? Is anyone live? Please put one in the chat, guys, if anyone is live. Jashan, Madhav. No one is live? Can Creator Club answer for this question? Is anyone live? Okay, you are live. Hi Rohan, you have any questions you can ask me. I just aligned the text for you. Any other questions you can ask me. So once the question session is done, I'll close the session. No other questions. So you can go to Fiverr, Freelancer, Touranswer. Was waiting for other participants. Okay, no questions, no questions, no questions from others also. Okay, guys, no questions. Okay, thank you so much for being in the session. Please follow me. And yeah, no, I'm just starting over. Okay, thank you, Rohan. Okay, any questions? No questions. Okay, guys, I'm done for the day. You can follow me on Instagram. It's my page is called as Rahul's Design, or you can send me a connection request in LinkedIn. So I'll put my LinkedIn link here, my profile link. No, it's not here. One second. Yeah, send me a connection request or at least follow me on LinkedIn. So you will get updates on whatever I'm doing, guys. Thank you so much for being in the stream. Bye, guys.